How to build a photography portfolio. If you ever heard about the most famous street photographers or have any idea about them, you would also know that they in a way used and built photography portfolios. The first thing that matters and needs to be told is what a photography portfolio is. A photography portfolio is a collection of the best images. It doesn't matter if you are the one who took the pictures or you are the subject of those pictures. What is important is that the portfolio will help you collect the best thing. It is the easiest thing to do, but still has its own tricks and tips that would help you prepare the best one. I have included some of the most important things that you should do in order to build the best photography portfolio regarding other people on it. Tips on how to build a photography portfolio. Choose what pictures will be included. As you may already know, there are many types of photography: portraits, landscapes, nature, wildlife, sports, or even wedding photography. Choose between these types and many others, so that the portfolio would look better than ever. Think about the number of the pictures. Taking a huge number of pictures isn't the best thing to do, and taking a few of them is even worse. What you should have in mind about this is that you should think first about how many pictures you want to add, and then move on to the next thing. Shoot the pictures. Once you have chosen what you want to take pictures of or how many of them you will take, the next thing to do is to take those pictures. You can use any accessory or tool that might help you while taking a picture. It is great if you use lenses that are listed and known for that particular photography that you are about to take. For example, if you are taking portrait pictures of yourself, you may want to take a look at the best camera for self-portraits, or if you are taking landscape photography, you can take a look at the best cameras for landscape photography. Choose the pictures. What comes next is to choose which pictures you want to include or add to your portfolio. You may also choose pictures that complement each other in the best way possible because based on my personal experience, the pictures that have the same meaning or in a way look similar would definitely look better. Edit the pictures. Editing pictures and adding some special effects or filters can never go wrong. Make sure to find the best way to edit it, or if you feel like you cannot do it, it is better if you ask for some help. There is not a particular saying or fact that you should edit the pictures yourself. Feel free to do whatever you want. Organize the pictures. Did you choose and edit the pictures? Now, let's do something else. If a portfolio looks unorganized or messy, it never catches an eye. It would be the best thing if you try to match the pictures with each other and organize them. What I like about this thing is that you can notice spontaneously where the picture should be placed. If you are a perfectionist wanting things in the most perfect way, organizing is an important thing. In my opinion, building a photography portfolio is one of the best things to do. Plus, it is a very fun activity. What I would advise you is to keep things simple and don't exaggerate on anything. The only purpose, or the most important purpose, of building a photography portfolio is simple: showing the best pictures. Once you created the best of it, think about other people. Think about how those that take a look at your portfolio will feel. I hope the tips that I chose will be helpful for you. Good luck.